Hi and welcome back to the channel. So I have another AI training company that hires remote workers from all over the world. I'm not going to base this video off of Africans alone because I have people from other countries on this channel. So this AI training company hires from multiple locations. So I'm going to be showing you every detail about them so that you can check if there's any role there suitable for you. Also, we just launched our AI training agency. For those of you in Africa who cannot work on these platforms, we are bridging the gap. Check out the link in the description to sign up. We're going to do all the job for you. All you need to do is to start working and start getting paid. Let's go back into the video so that I can show you all the details about this company and the open roles available that you can apply to right now if it is available in your location. If today's your first time, we share videos on how to make money online, digital skills, and how to leverage the online income. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment, and share with someone who is trying to also make some money online. Let's get started. Okay, besties, the company is called Accenture. Accenture.com is the website. Depending on your location, the URL might be different. It's just Accenture.com. Artificial intelligence and data, that's what they do. AI and data. In the last 30 years, no technology has promised to change everything across a business until generative AI. Today, AI is the number one driver of business reinvention, and data readiness is one of the most important factors for AI success. These are the companies they partner with. You can see AWS, Nvidia, Microsoft, SAP, Snowflake, OpenAI, Oracle, Databricks, Google. They partner with high-tech companies. You know what they do? They're just an AI training company, artificial intelligence and data company. They hire you on behalf of these big tech companies. Okay, so just go to their careers pages like this. You search for open roles and you will see the open roles here. Cloud data engineer. So this is showing according to my location. Feel free to change the location. Toggle this here. Toggle this button here so you can select any country and language you feel you want to select to filter jobs. Let's say I select which country will I select now? Okay, let's say I select India. So you see it will change and then you click on open positions in India. It says these are our 10,000 US job listings. To see more, refine your search query above. Okay, you see this is the jobs they have in India right now. So if you're in India, this is hot cake. Procurement practice senior analyst, delivery lead senior manager, sales prog and incentive management manager, quality engineer, procure to pay operations analyst, packaged SaaS application engineer, sales. These are the jobs over say 1,000. It said 10,000 jobs available in this location I selected, right? And the areas of interest for this company include artificial intelligence, AI and data science, cloud, consulting, corporate functions, creative and design, customer and user experience. And as you can see, each of them has how many job listings? Industries, 2,981, marketing and communication, operations and delivery, product development, program and project management, programming languages, research and innovation, sales and account manager, security, software engineering, strategy, technology. They also have full-time positions, but I like contract-based because I have a lot of things I do. I cannot have a full-time remote job. I rather do online. I rather do part-time. And you can also filter by experience level, like years of experience. Is it 0 to 2 years, 2 to 5 years, 5 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. You see, even 0 to 2 years of experience has 6,493 jobs. So you go through them, whichever one that suits you. Like so, you read the details. This was posted a day ago. Yeah, read full description. You can even save. You can save the job and come back to read it. You will see the qualifications here. 15 years full-time education. This 15 years full-time education means from primary to the university or master's. Yeah, and then additional information, everything is here about Accenture. Important notice, every single detail you need is here. right, about the job. And if interest you, you can click on apply for this job, which will then take you to their careers page, mycareer.accenture.com. Start or complete your application. If you're already registered, sign in with email and password below. Okay, you need to register on this platform to submit applications. So if you're looking for AI training roles, then this is your go-to platform for it. So once you sign up on this platform, you'll be able to see your applications, saved jobs and job search. So many things you can do on this platform. So let's say I change location back to Canada. We'll now see jobs open to people in Canada. Let's see if there's any. Okay, strategy consultant, health, infrastructure, PLM, senior analyst. You see, they also have a couple of jobs in Canada here. Data and AI consulting manager banking. Oracle HCM consultant talent manager, LLM developer senior analyst. So the lady I'm working with in this our agency, this is what she does. Which other country can I change it to? If I change it to Austria, I search for open roles. So any country you open, there's something for that country. There's something for that country. So come here and do your job search. Check if they're available in your location. I'm not going to be doing those jobs for you. I will only share the opportunities. Anyone interested can do their own research. Please do your due diligence before applying to any job. Do your due diligence. Make sure that you trust this company. Know that you're not supposed to pay money here to them to get a job here. You're not supposed to pay them money. Okay, so this is how to sign in or how to sign up. You can sign up using your Google or email. You may choose to sign in using Google account as an alternative authentication method where selected authentication is handled by the respective provider Google. And then introduce yourself if you want to. Introduce yourself here. Select your country, your full name, email address, your phone device type, your country 33 phone code, phone number, upload your CV, type to add skills and submit. This will help you to be able to get jobs sent to you directly to your email whenever there's available job matching your skills. So I thought to share this one with you guys. There are different so many countries here. We're not just gonna focus on Nigeria, but even Nigerians too are breaking, they're helping themselves. I cannot begin to tell you guys what's happening behind the scenes. People are helping themselves to leverage this online space. I tried to teach you guys before now. Those videos get deleted and my account even was suspended a couple of times, and I'm not about to risk it anymore. You can figure it out yourself, or you join the agency that we just launched. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you check out the link in the description to book your slot for the AI training outsourcing agency, because we have limited spots. We have limited spots for this first session. Maybe after a while we can open up a new session for new people, but for now we need limited number of people, serious people, highly skilled AI trainers, not beginners. We're not training you. You're going to start working immediately as soon as you join the platform. We onboard you and you start working. So we don't have time to train people. I've seen your comment. I'm just trying to address some comments and questions I've gotten. We are not training. We don't train you. You can go online, find AI training platforms to learn the skills yourself. Watch YouTube videos, develop the skills. We're not teaching you. You're only coming to work and get paid. Thank you so much everybody for watching. Link is in the description. Limited slots available. Remember, limited slots available. See you in the inner room where we'll explain more details during the onboarding stage. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.